I hope every one of you are doing well. Now let's explore Shimla. We hired a taxi from the Shimla railway station to the mall road. Taxis go till the lift point from where we had to take the lift to reach mall road. So there you can see the lift. Finally, we reached the lift, which is maintained by the Himachal Tourism Department. Ticket cost per passenger is ₹10 and also per luggage it's ₹10. So here we took the lift to reach Mall Road. We reached the Mall Road. Then we headed towards the hotel we had pre-booked through Make My Trip app. So finally we reached the hotel Bridgeview Regency, which is by the Mall Road, the heart of Shimla. So here you can see the reception area of Bridgeview Regency. After the check-in formalities, we headed towards our room. Let me give you a view of the room. It's a deluxe room, an average sized room. Here is a blower which was of great help. Let me give you a view of the washroom. The washroom is quite clean. After freshening up, we headed towards the Mall Road. This is the famous Mall Road of Shimla. This is the shopping center in Shimla. Mall Road has a number of showrooms, department stores, restaurants and cafes. Automobiles, except emergency vehicles, are not allowed on this road. Here we headed towards the Ridge, which is a large open space located in the center of Shimla. The Ridge is the hub of all cultural activities of Shimla. Here stands a 100 feet tall national flag. Here stands the statue of late Indira Gandhi ji and late Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Like me, you will love this place. This is the Christ Church, which was built in 1857. The road next to the church is one of the roads which will take you to the famous Jakho temple. We visited the Jakho temple the next day. Sitting here, you can have a beautiful view of the Ridge. This view is still green in my heart. It was a chilling evening of March. When you visit Shimla, take out some time to sit and relax here. This is the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the Mayor and Deputy Mayor's office of Shimla. It was almost 8 p.m. and we headed towards our hotel. I am sharing a beautiful moment of my life with you all. It was 2nd March 2021, our first marriage anniversary. It was a surprise from my husband. Next day we visited Kufri and the famous Jakho temple. At about 9 in the morning, we started for Kufri. If you want, you can have your breakfast on the way. There are a number of restaurants. You can have a beautiful view of this green valley on the way. At first, we visited the Hip Hip Hooray amusement park. This amusement park is on the way to the Kufri snow point. It is at a distance of almost half an hour from the Shimla lift point. I did a lot of activities here and it was real fun. Upon entering, the first activity you will get is the zip line. So here I go down there. It was a short distance. This is the ladder bridge. It was quite fun. This is the net climbing. Though it seems easy, but believe me, it's not. This is the haunted house. This is the reverse bungee. If you have heart problem or you are weak, then I recommend not to do it. If your weight is less, you may get flipped like me. You may feel dizzy too. This is the mirror house. You'll enjoy here. Mirrors, mirrors and mirrors. You can spin here. This is the frisbee point. Of all the activities, I enjoyed the virtual cinema the most. It was amazing. So here we are, dashing the dashing cars. From there we moved towards the Kufri Snow Point. We booked 2 horses. This was my first horse ride and I was so frightened. These horses are well trained. The view was beautiful, but I was praying so that I could reach early and get down from the horse. So finally we reached the point. We took 2 tickets to enter. This is the Kufri Snow Point, but we could not find any snow here. Let's see if we can get something. Yes, finally he got a barwan and he was very happy. You will get a variety of shops here. This is the telescope point. As you can see on the screen, these are the points that you can view through the telescope. Never miss this. Hotel Complex Fago. Apple harvesting is done here. If you remember, you saw this beautiful palace in the Three Idiots movie. Just coming out of the telescope point, we booked tickets for another activity. If we had booked tickets for the Apple Garden Adventure Zone at the place where we had booked our horses, then it would cost rupees 1000 per person, but here we got it for rupees 600. Here we did couple ziplining. We were very tired and had some local juices. We had our lunch in the Apple Garden food destination. On our way back, we headed towards the famous Jakhu temple. This is the Jakhu hill. Jakhu temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. Here stands a 108 feet tall statue of Hanuman. Hanuman stopped at this location to rest while searching for the Sanjeevani Bhuti to revive Lakshmana. There is provision of ropeway to reach Jakhu temple. This is a miniature of the Jakhu temple. Finally, we returned to our hotel. We were too tired, but with lots of memories for a lifetime. In my next video, I'll be sharing my experience of Manali. Please do watch.